Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From uno ear device, uno know see a one and only Atafa the Press. Well, I'm back again because the one Juliet Cuthbert fling run out. I wanna know so me come for her. Yes, man, me come for drag her. Me come for tower, me come for strain her because she too bright and out of order. Yes, me I gotta start with she first. And then me I go run out with Dayton Campbell because Dayton Campbell come right out and I make Andrew Holness know say, here what brother, you see that one ya? You see that liar where you tell the Jamaican people you nah go get out of this one ya. So let me kick it off like this. Juliet Cuthbert, she come out. You know, remember Juliet Cuthbert? This woman, used to run and never win a race yet. Never win a race yet, Juliet Cuthbert fling. Never win a race yet. And she have the audacity to come out and call Mark Golding, Honorable Mark Golding, Master Mark. I use racist slur. You know think so we are idiot? You know for stop it. Uno for stop it. Uno is a politician. Uno for stop use racist slur full time now, man. Full time now. Uno too wicked and bad man and stay bad. You girl Juliet Cuthbert, you not have no manners. The way how you speak when you're ready. The type of, what my wisdom warriors really and truly, when me really look into it, me can't expect better because the way how she talk to the people them in a fair party. The way how she talk and the bad word them, what she drop on the people them in a fair party. This a woman yeah, is not a good girl. She not supposed to in a them a position yeah. She is not credible. There's nothing credible about Juliet Cuthbert. And she's a politician. She's a MP. Here what she come out and say. So Master Mark has derailed the process of Jamaica becoming a republic. Wanna hear the lie? Wanna hear the lie this woman come out and I tell? I talk about Master Mark derailed the process of Jamaica becoming a republic. Juliet Cuthbert fling come out and post telling lies. Say Mark Golding is a British citizen. He is also a British citizen. And that's why he believes personally one should be able to have dual citizenship. This man is all about himself. Nothing to do with Jamaica. You hear this racist girl? Who is she? Who the hell she thinks she is? Who the hell you think is Juliet Cuthbert? Feel like you can't come disrespect Mark Golding. Can you walk in a Mark Golding shoes, much less run? You can't run, you never win a race yet. So how you going like you want to run in a Mark Golding shoes? How you going like you want to run in a Mark Golding shoes? Me say you cannot walk in a Mark Golding shoes. People like you know fi come out. People like you would talk and need to wash out them mouth with J's. Because the way how you talk to the people them in your party, that for sure say you shouldn't in a this position here. You're not supposed to in a this position here, my girl. So when me hear you coming out and telling lies, he is also a British citizen. And that's why he believes personally one should be able to have dual citizenship. Really and truly. Really and truly. Really and truly, Juliet Cuthbert. You don't have nothing to say. And then you come out and I say, this man is all about himself. And Holness is the one all about himself. You need to go educate your people them and stop come out and tell lies. You need to go educate your people them, lady. That you need to go do and stop tell lies and spread propaganda. Andrew Holness is the one that collecting money from the Privy Council. Andrew Holness alone I get big bucks, I get money, my wisdom warriors, and I'm not now hide. You can't go Google it. You can't go Google it. Andrew Holness is the only one. Andrew Holness is the only one, my wisdom warriors, that is benefiting from the Privy Council. So how comes a Mark Golding? Eh? And why you come out as well and talk about Mark Golding derailed the process? Mark Golding said from long time, Mark Golding said no republic if there's no CCJ. You want me to show you? This remember, when Mark Golding come out and Mark Golding did attack, Mark Golding said it, my wisdom warriors. He said it. So when they hear this a punk come out and chat off her mouth, she not have nothing to say. She not have nothing to say. I want, this a girl, I want dirty mouth girl, One dirty mouth girl. Only hear me play her over here before. All on TikTok me put her. Cause the way me hear she talk to her colleague, we can't expect better from her, But she just lie. Only need to come out and educate the people and stop fool the people them. And that you need to do, my wisdom warriors. Me I go show and say, this a girl here, I tell lie. Take in this.
As a first step, we must reform the Constitution to complete the decolonization process. We need to decolonize Jamaica once and for all. We in the PNP have no interest in moving to a republic while retaining the King's Privy Council in London as Jamaica's final court. That does not make sense to any progressive person.
So my wisdom warriors, una see, say Mark Golding said this from long time. Una see, say Mark Golding said it from long time, my wisdom warriors. So when me hear the whole of the dopey bat them and dunce bat them run out and a spread propaganda, me have to really say, say a real idiot them. How comes this woman here come out and a chat shit against Mark Golding? Mark Golding say, if you're going to remove the monarchy, remove the King's Council, remove the Privy Council too. Are the right thing the man a do? Are the right thing the man is doing, my wisdom warriors? Mark Golding never said he don't want Jamaica to be republic. He said it. He want Jamaica to be republic. As long as uno remove the Privy Council and put it to the CCJ. And that him say. And that he said, make the final appellate court be the CCJ. That's all he said. And that's all he said. So how the whole uno come out and tell lie? Uno for stop it, man. Uno for stop it. And Juliet, Cuthbert, me not expect better from you, But when you come out and be racist towards Mark Golding, that is, you see something like this, you forget fire. The whole uno come out and call Mark Golding Master Mark and laugh. The whole uno. The whole uno come out and I call the man Master. You see uno? You see the whole uno? You see when Mark Golding win, I want the whole uno for go jail. The whole uno. I want Mark Golding dig straight down. From head go straight down, me say. I want Mark Golding dig uno down and put him in a prison. You see the prison where Andrew Holness bill, and that's the whole uno go. The whole uno is a damn set of criminal. The whole uno a criminal. My wisdom warriors, this is to show you the type of person they are. You see how she go run? You see how she go run up and down about Jamaica and say they love Jamaica? Girl, you no love Jamaica. You no love Jamaica. You understand? You no love Jamaica. So now come go and like say you better than Mark Golding because you no love Jamaica. Because if you did love Jamaican people, you wouldn't stick to Andrew. You wouldn't do that. You wouldn't make Andrew turn the wall in a puppet. Una a real set of fool, Uno know that. Uno is a real set of fool. And you should never in this position here. You should never be a politician. You should, this is why, me I tell Mark Golding, anytime I see nobody go out and talk about them a run for Jamaica, or them a this for Jamaica, do not make them turn no MP. Don't make them turn MP. Because you see a man face, but you don't know their heart like that the girl there. My wisdom warriors, I want to take in Juliet Cuthbert. I want to hear her, because no found never hear her. I want to hear her how she behave, to her own work colleague, in the Labour Party, want to listen to this. Because the bad with them where she a cheap and a clot. I can't believe it. Una go get a shock on her life. Hear this.
Let me fucking tell you something. You go and you play this back to anybody in the Jamaica Labour Party. Because I'm fucking sick and tired of you. Okay? I don't want to hear from you. I don't want to fucking hear from you. I asked Chevron to choose a project. He's yet to choose a fucking project. Okay? I'm the one who told him that I'm going to give him paint and cement for somebody's house, to fix up somebody's house. Up to now, he hasn't come to me to tell me anything about King Weston and what he wants to do. He called me yesterday to tell me he wants ply and nail and some other stuff for this lady's house. He has not chosen a project. So don't come to me unless you know your fucking facts. Why don't you become the fucking MP? Since you know everything and you're the head cook and bottle washer for every fucking thing.
My wisdom warriors, una hear Juliet Cuthbert Flynn? Una hear her? Them somebody you know, a lead Jamaican people, you know. Them a type of politician here we have leading us. These are the type of people Andrew having in cabinet a lead we. Look pan she. Una hear the way she behave. This is why I say I can't expect better from her. But when she go to the level, I talk about Master and I talk about he's a British citizen. And what Master Mark is not no British citizen. He is a Jamaican born. Jamaica the man born and Jamaica the man grow. You understand me? She can go on like say she better than Mark Golding. Sometimes I have to really wonder what happened to these people. So somebody like she if he come out with her mouth full of pure filth, she not fi come out and talk to nobody and call out Mark name. Because you dirty girl can walk in a Mark Golden shoes. No time, no day, much as for running a it. No time, no day. You understand? Mark Golden is like a professor. You're not half ready for reach up on Mark Golden level. No found don't know, you know. Mark Golden study law in Constitution, you know. No found not even know this. You understand? No for uno not even know this. But my wisdom warriors, uno tell me what to think about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Well. Me have the hotter claps to drop on uno because Dayton Campbell run right out and I make Andrew Holness no say taking this. So Dr. Dayton Campbell tag Andrew Holness. And he said, this has been the position of the CDE leader. This was at our annual conference in 2023. So, when I see the video when I show you my wisdom warriors with Mark Golding, it take place at the annual conference in 2023. So, when I say Andrew Holness is a liar. When I say Andrew Holness come out and I tell lie, him and he send out girl them and send out boy them. When I see that door, Marky G make it clear. Mark Golding make it clear and say no republic, no CCJ. You understand? This is what he said. So, you can't believe, say, Andrew Holness go tell a big fat lie. Lord Jesus, I don't know. Andrew, you have to stop it in a youth. You have to stop it, man. You're too lie, man. My wisdom warrior. So him say, it is a lie from the pit of hell. Listen, what Dr. Dayton Campbell say. It is a lie from the pit of hell that we agreed at the Vale Royal talk to move forward without CCJ. You want to hear that? Dr. Dayton Campbell say it is a lie. So a lie Andrew Holness come out and tell the people them. So Dayton Campbell say this is a lie from the pit of hell. So Andrew Holness go to the pit of hell, go take up the lie and come fling it for Mark Golding. Mark Golding not accept it, you know? Mark Golding not accept that at all. No way. Anyway, my wisdom warriors. So Andrew Holness a walk and a spread propaganda. A chat off him mouth. Say how him and Mark Golding agree at the Vale Royal talk to move forward without the CCJ. And it was a lie. From ever since Mark Golding said, if you move the monarchy, brother, Mark Golding said, yes, I want Jamaica to be a republic. So if you remove the monarchy, you have to remove the Privy Council. You have to remove the King Council. That's what he said. And then you have Andrew Holness out here. Him and he send out gal and send out boy them out here and spread propaganda. What a man, wicked man. Oh, what make you wicked some man? You know, say, John, no, me no know. And then my wisdom warriors, like, it is just sad to see a prime minister is lying just for make it in a life. Me box cover on and say what go on. Andrew Holness a life make it in a life. Pop Tory give me. Andrew Holness a lie for make it in a life. No, brother, you is a dangerous man. Jamaican people fi stay far from you. Jamaican people have to stay far from you. You and Juliet Cuthbert fling. You hear fair name? Jamaican people. Listen, you need to stay far away from Andrew Holness. Andrew are wicked. And then he wonder why we come out and bash him. Because you're giving us something to talk about, like spreading propaganda and talking shit and talking lies, telling lies. You need to stop that. You're a prime minister. You just, me think say you wouldn't change. You get a little DR, the doctorate. Me think you wouldn't change a little bit. Me rotted all the man come like he get worse. He come like the doctorate flare up in her head. The man out here telling lies. Mighty God, we have to stop it, you know? We have to stop it. My wisdom warriors. The video I want to hear me play earlier, I want to hear Mark Golding, and that was at the annual conference. Everybody hear that. Everybody. So when I hear Andrew Holness come, yeah, a people he want to come on for him side. He's just lying. He need to tell Jamaican people say he's getting big bucks from the Privy Council. He's the only one gonna benefit from the Privy Council. What's the point? What's the point of using the Privy Council, Andrew Holness? It doesn't make no sense to me. Privy Council are for rich people. Poor people can't afford Privy Council. Let me tell you that. Seriously, my wisdom warriors. Privy Council is only for the rich, not for the poor. So the poor now go rich nowhere in a life when it come to the Privy Council. Nowhere in a life. So guess what? We have to get rid of the Privy Council. And I agree with Mark Golding. Then Dayton Campbell say, you, Mr. Prime Minister, will not be allowed to lie about this one. When you hear that, Dayton Campbell make sure saying tag Andrew Holness, you know, and say, you, Andrew Holness, you're not going to get away with this one, you know. You're not allowed to lie on this one, you know, brother. You think you're going to get away with it? Yes, man, Dayton Campbell make him know. Yeah. Dayton Campbell make him know, and so I want everybody to come out. I want everybody to come out and talk up things them. Seriously. Because Andrew Holness is just lying. To get big in a life. It don't make no sense. Why are you lying? That don't make no sense. He's a prime minister. You should have not set example. You're not setting no example. The man just come out and lie. And if you watch him, you see when time Andrew Holness come out and watch him body language, watch the way how he talk. You hear him come out and say he wasn't surprised. You know, he's disappointed, but he wasn't surprised with Mark Golding. He not surprised because Mark Golding tell him to him face already. Say, brother, no republic if you now move the Privy Council. Seriously, you understand? But Jano, I don't know what is going on, my wisdom warrior. Right now, it's just a waiting game. Because we want to hear them say them have the meeting. I don't know what go down in the meeting. I search, I can't find nothing. But I want to see what is going to be Andrew Holness' decision. Because him did say him did I go move to consensus. So I don't know. He saying did I go keep it moving. Me tell you about this man and break every law. And he must think so we forget about the 60th. Me tell you, half of the press not forget about the 60th. You say true, you are one. And me chat about you every day. Yes. And you are one. Me tell you no. I never forget about the 60th. Nobody can distract me when it come to the 60th. Yes, man. Remember say me depend the case there, you know, like Matlock. Yes, man, me depend the case. So Andrew Holness saggle up because Integrity Commission will be putting out your business very, very soon. Because as far as we know, you not declare your asset 3 years now. You breach the law. A prison you for there, no, brother. A prison you for there. Me no know how you want so high and mighty. Nobody can lock you up. Nobody can press charges upon you. Charges shouldn't press upon you a long time. You see all the other lady there, the former Madam Speaker, all she, what go on for she? Because we not hear nothing. Integrity Commission, we want to hear something about the Rimple. The former Madam Speaker, we want to know. Because it is alleged that she still a get paid. Me not understand what she a get paid for. I don't understand. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, tell me how you feel, put on honest opinion in the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I want to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Guys, follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Bless up again. One love.